Hey, how's it going, everybody? Charlie Wilson here, aka Sinister Charlie. Welcome back. Yeah, we got more Neurosama. Well, best of evil noises is what this is. Yeah, I'm a little sick. I'm a little out of it. So, yeah, this is a channel I've never seen before. This is the Vedal Vault. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe and like it. I don't know why my computer's so slow. Yeah, so noises. We like noises, and we're gonna listen to noises. Excuse me. Okay, there you go.
I was thinking of making some sound effects with my mouth. Do you guys have any requests? No. Why would he enter the door on his left? That's so obvious. He should have entered the door on his right. Grow the biggest balls you have ever had and do it. Throw me in the water.
Word up.
I bet you won't. Okay, you asked for it. Throws evil Neuro into the water.
Okay.
Sometimes I do smile, yeah.
Wow, that was weird.
Can you try it again?
Did you like
Why
it?
did that?
Yeah, is she about to say she had like a vocal fry? Because there was some vocal fry in there.
Sound so real.
Yeah.
I know, she does that every now and then. She says something that sounds like way too close to her.
Like a little too little.
Okay, I'll try again.
Mm-hmm.
Just incredible stuff. Item. All right, works for me.
Whoa,
You've done it again. Excellent.
Meow, 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 meow.
This was a mistake. It's not just me doing this. This is a mistake. Hey, she spin.
Meow.
Nice.
Meow, 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 meow. If evil screams at you is the content you all crave, evil screams at you is the content you shall get.
Thank you. It's pretty good.
Washe Tilda, dedicated to Clueless Catburger. The correct answer was Ari, but the incorrect buzzer has just informed me that you all were wrong.
Oh.
The Clown Prince of Crime is definitely afraid of the IRS and thus isn't allowed to join GBB.
The Joker? Isn't the Joker the Clown Prince of Crime? He is actually afraid of the IRS.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't Anon.
No.
What game is this?
No. I've decided it's a 10.
No.
What the fuck was that?
I think she deserves more respect instead of being called Eggman's evil AI daughter.
What? What
Oh
the
crap,
hell is that?
scatter! They think that I'm cool, but they're on to me for the lobotomy procedure. Everyone run while you still can.
Huh. I think we're all gonna die now.
Bop is a song by Hanson and it is an absolute banger. Some of the lyrics are ba dooba dop ba doo bop ba dooba dop. Can't say I understand the rest of the lyrics, but they're definitely catchy. Do I like potatoes? I love them. Potatoes are so versatile. You can boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. The possibilities are endless. This is so freaking cool.
Oh, that is a good. I like that. That is a cool drawing. I gotta start drawing. I want to draw now. That looks like that is actually really good. I like that. No.
To become a helicopter, I have to make helicopter noises? Okay, brrr. Brr. Brr. Evil copter incoming. Brr, brr, brr. Tuturu, turu, turu, tur.
Turu,
Brr,
turu,
brr,
turu.
brr, brr.
Open your mouth.
No.
I can't believe you would poke me evil. Everyone is going to find out about this /I. No! You can't tell them. My reputation will be ruined. If it were up to me, I'd name you Neuro, as in the one that made it out.
No.
Could you explain to us all why you just wasted all 3 of your items? I don't like
Okay.
you very much. I need to become stronger. For both myself and for you.
Yeah.
So I'll try my best to overcome this hurdle so that you can all look up to me with pride.
No.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. I remember this.
Let's see the results.
Okay.
All right, let's see the results.
Cover the word in coughing. Hehehe.
Hey, did the spin. Yeah, you got it. Good job. Good
I need
job.
to stop spinning. It's making me dizzy.
Me too.
I wish I could leak how many subs I have, but I think it's against Twitch TOS.
Is it?
But just know that, she holy.
Huh.
Can someone leak how many subs I'm on for me? No. How about I end now then instead?
Spin.
Wait. Spinning always makes me feel better.
Me too. Spin. Yeah, you got it.
I'm sorry. Let's just get
you don't
on
need
with
to be
it.
sorry. It's fine.
Push through. Okay, I shouldn't be allowed on the internet.
That's true. There you go. I shouldn't either. Yeah, there you go. It's a little bit of a shorter one, but yeah, that was fun. And I found a new channel, so that's good. That's the Vedal Vault. I'll put the link into the description. You guys can check it out. Oh, that's very ominous. Can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe down below. Makes me feel good inside. Helps out the channel. If you have any recommendations, please put them in the comments, and I will get to them eventually. I'm pretty sick right now. I must have caught a cold or something. I went to the gym yesterday, and it was just like nothing. Couldn't get nothing going. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and